Hey guys, welcome to our channel CAD Solution. Today we will learn about to create the simple bottle model in Creo software. So let's begin. Take new part, define name bottle, select the template, MMNS part solid, turn on the planes. Today we will create this model using sweep command. First sketch this profile, select front plane, go to SketchUp and draw the outline of that profile of any dimension. Keep the tangency while taking the arc. Define the tangency between this second arc and this vertical line. So for this, select the tangency command, select arc, press Ctrl and select vertical line. The tangency is applied now. Whatever the dimensions required, define the dimensions manually. I need a height of this line, that is 50 mm. Then radius of this arc, 40 mm. Again, the radius of this arc, 45 mm. Again, I need to define the length of this vertical line. This would be 10 mm. Right now, I need to define the diameters for these two vertical lines. So, to define the diameters, you need a center line. So, take a center line first. Define the dimensions. And now, to define the dimension, select the entity, press Ctrl, select the center line, and again select the entity. Click middle mouse button. In this way, you can get the diameter of any entity. Hold Control key, center line, again the entity, release Control key and press middle mouse button. Press middle mouse button to exit from the command. So our profile is now ready. Select the profile and press Control C to copy the entire profile. We have to create 4 guiding planes. So in that case, it will be easy to copy and paste the sketch. So our first guiding plane is created now. So again, take the same plane, front plane. We have already copied the profile. So before pasting it, go to the construction mode and press Ctrl V, click anywhere, and here the scale you need to define. As of now, I am taking the scale 1, and to position it, mention it 0 0 from the origin. So now your profile is now converted in construction mode. Turn off the construction mode, select the entire profile and mirror it with the center line. So mirror center line is also in construction mode. So select entire mirror profile, convert it into solid profile. So our second profile is also created. Now the third profile, select right plane, go cage and simply paste the copied profile. We don't need construction mode here. Position it at origin. Third profile is also now created. Again define this sketch at right plane. So before pasting the sketch, turn on the construction mode, press Ctrl V, click anywhere, define the scale, position it to the origin. Okay. Select the profile, go to mirror, Select the mirror command and mirror it according to the center line. Again, select the mirror profile and convert it into the solid profile. So our 4 guiding profiles are created. But again, we need central profile to define the origin trajectory. You can either select front plane or right plane. Simply catch a line of having 100 length as height of the bottle. You can also let the sketch to snap. Our profiles are now created. Now go to sweep command, click references, select enter profile, press control and select the 4 guiding planes. Our guiding planes are now selected and sketch the section. Here you can see the arrow is showing here. So our section profile will be created here. Select the center rectangle. You can let the profile to take snap, or later you can define dimensions also. I will go with the snap option. So our basic profile is created now. Let me hide the plane. Also the sketches as it is not required. Now define radius to the edges. Mm and radius to the bottom also 5 Now go to shell command, select top face and define the thickness as mentioned in the drawing. The thickness of the bottle is 1 Define 1 click OK. In this way you can create the simple bottle design using sweep command. If you know any other way to model this part, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. And for more updates, do consider to join our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching.